You've got the DIY chainsaw mill and also the other one. Which one should we use for the ash tree? But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more DIY videos like this one. And if you like this t-shirt, I'll also put a link in the video so you can get one. This one is $40 and up. And this one, well, I've got less than $5 in this one. But either way, if you like either one of these, I'll put a link for each one in the description. I have this chainsaw mill set up to work on 2x4s. This is the DIY version. Works good. It's easy to hook it up. This one's easy to hook up too, as long as you drill holes through the blade. If you don't drill those holes, then you may find that just putting the screws in here and trying to clamp them to the bar is will cause this to get weak here, which what I have experienced is putting the blade in here under pressure. It allows it to sink down and actually dull the blade. But this is just universal, these two holes. It fits on there like that, or you can use this. Today we're going to use this chainsaw mill. Instead of the bottom of this being about 21 inches from bottom edge to bottom edge, I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to about 14 inches. I went ahead and touched up the paint also. Washer here. Go ahead and put this on. We have this little overhang here. That way that is solid through there. I'll just put this 5/16 on there. You can do 1 or 2. This one fits perfectly with 2. Then put the big washer on there. See, it's not going to fit over that space. It's just going to bump into that. Then I've got my lock washer on here. Then this, I'm going to create a little sandwich right there. Then I'm going to do that again with another lock washer and another 1/4 inch bolt here. And that's pretty much it. Once you tighten this up, this sawmill's ready to go. Real simple and real easy to put together and real cheap. Since you can see this 10-foot board's a little short, it's okay, because I have this 1x4, and all I have to do is put this into behind this 2x4, and that'll slide all the way back and over.
Mm-hmm.
I've went ahead and marked my line all the way from one side of this board up to the other side. I'm going to cut a slab that's as wide as a 2x4. Before I do that, I want to make sure that this blade is going to be cutting on the other side of the line. can see that when you cut two sides and you take it from the top, you end up with a bottom edge we call a live edge. So this is a live edge ash. Not too bad.